Hello. Today I'm going to share with you a new feature in your Genesis Now system. With this new feature, you will no longer have to memorize a report to email it. Let's start off in your Genesis Now dashboard. On the left-hand side, let's scroll down to Reports and click Reports. Once in Reports, let's select the report that we would like to email. Then we can select the filters and date range that we would like to see in our report. Scroll up to Email and click Email. You will note that it does say this report is not memorized. However, that's okay, as we are sending this report as a one-time emailed report. Let's select how we would like to send the attachment, PDF or CSV. Once we've selected that option, type in the email address of the person you would like to send the report to. Once you have done that, let's scroll down to the right-hand side and select Send. This will send the one-time emailed report to the person you have selected to email it to. Should you have any questions or need any assistance, please remember the chat button to the bottom right of your screen or on the left-hand side bottom of your toolbar, the Help button. Thank you.